okay. You don't get belly. You don't get belly, you shake your head.
But then everybody will vomit and get belly.
What you come to do woman where they vomit? Any woman where vomit, that means that the woman don't get belly. You are pregnant. Goodness, I say you are pregnant.
Yeah, I'm not going.
See, goodness, I know you can't now. See, if I blow you, if you don't tell me the person will kill belly now, who is responsible?
Your tenant.
Our tenant, the lawyer, the doctor, the one that used to play football. Don't tell me he's a bastard. He's a bastard, go easy. Person go die. Let's go. I saw him at the backyard, now let's go. Somebody go die. Look at this bastard. I know you will be here. Easy. I'll be whatever they call your name. Why did you get my sister pregnant?
Baby landlord. Oh, sorry, I called you that. But you are a baby landlord. See, let me tell you. Number one, you are not the owner of this house. It's your father, your late father legacy. He died and you inherit the house.
Isaac, that's not the reason why I'm here. Before you do behavior like your goofy. Before you do like person who don't smoke Igbo. Isaac, you got my sister pregnant. I got her throwing up outside there. And she said you are the one responsible. Isaac, you must take full responsibility of this baby. If not, somebody will die.
If anybody will die, it will be that peanut inside her belly. See, let me tell you, you don't know your sister. And I will explain your sister for you. Baby landlord, do you know this? Your sister knows about 15 hotels here on the mainland and about 82 hotels on the island. Oh, you are shocked? She will not tell you because I just know on my own. The other day I called you in which hotel? Abumenya Hotel. Do you know where is Abumenya Hotel?
Isaac,
you can
that is not the reason why I'm here. I don't want to know all these things you are saying. The reason why I'm here is for you to take full responsibility of this thing. I am even angry that out of the doctor in this company, the lawyer and the footballer, it is this jobless idiot.
Jesus
this fool!
is Lord! Let me tell you. See, I am not afraid of you. Neither am I afraid of quick notice. You've given me 15 quick notice. I am still here. If you bring more, I will still be here. Even if your children bring more, I will still be here. See, let me tell you. This is your sister. If she lied to you that I am responsible, it's a bigger lie. Eh? You not go tell her. You know where they see your sister?
Isaac.
Okay.
Isaac.
Let me just tell you I want to tell you what you are thinking. You see that peanut inside the belly? It's not mine. And I know your plan. You want the peanuts to answer my name. Because you know we are very great.
Jesus.
You want a great name added to your own family.
Isaac, wait. I want to get this thing clear. You think I want this baby to be part of your family? What is that your name? Obo Tuke. Obo. If you know the meaning of Obo in Yoruba, you will go and do affidavit. If you know the meaning of Obo in Yoruba, you will go and do affidavit.
You see, now I understand you. Baby landlord.
Rubbish.
See, you don't have a brother and you too, you don't have a sister. Both of you are two different people alike. See, but I have a solution for you. You hear? There is a solution because you are still my landlord and I will want to help you. Let me help you in this way. You see this peanut that she's keeping there? If you want the peanuts to answer my name, it's very simple. Just tell me. I will arrange it. Help your sister to deliver this baby. Once you deliver the baby, call me. I will adopt the baby. And the baby will answer my name. Very simple.
Isaac, you are saying rubbish. Isaac, you will hear from me.
You will hear from me.
Isaac, you will hear from me.
See, come. Okay, come. Alternative. Come.
Pastor,
come, alternative.
God will punish you.
No, listen to alternative. Eh? I will.
It doesn't end here. It doesn't end here, Isaac.
What doesn't end?
It doesn't end here.
What doesn't end?
You will hear from me.
I will always hear from you because you are my landlord. You are not even white. Look at the brother, look at the sister. Eh? Your sister knows about 4 or 5 doctors that can remove that thing. Just give her some money. If you want money, come and meet me. I have about 2,500 I can give you. You say I'm responsible for what? What are you scared of, Daddy? Come and join us. Your sister is an okbo. Goody. Go. Straight to your face. Goodness. Don't you know the way you broke the news, you wanted to implicate me? But I value you. You are a good girl. No. You flush that thing and you are looking healthy. Do you know some girls will remove this thing that you've removed now and they will be bleeding for about 1 or 2 months? But you are not a pro. You people know the step. You know the steps to follow. Step 1, step 2, step 3, then flush. See, let me tell you, you are now a pro in this matter now. There will come a time say that maybe the thing enter and you want to flush it. You just open your mouth, put your hand inside and bring it out. That's the level you are heading to now. So how did it? You are looking okay. Your tummy has even gone inside. Sharp, sharp. You are strong. Wow. I like you are strong. You are not smiling. What is it? Have you not flushed it?
Flushed what?
The peanuts inside your belly. I know you flushed it.
Flushed what now?
The peanut now.
I'm not pregnant, it's just malaria.
You're not pregnant? So you're not pregnant, children? See, let me tell you, that your brother too is too forwarding. I was sensing it when I saw you. I knew goodness cannot be pregnant. This girl is very smart. And you know, beside that day, we were very careful. We used protection, as you suggested. And now that you are not pregnant, I was thinking, you know, we have one more outstanding match to play. And I have cleared the feed are now level. And the weather is very okay. My footballers are ready. And don't worry, I have substitute and goalkeeper. My goalkeeper this time around is very strong. It won't break. Those other players, they cannot score my goalkeeper. Everything is intact. So, when should I go? Will I see something?
Thanks for watching that wonderful video from Laugh Loud Comedy. Please click on the subscribe button. It's very, very free. It's free. Please subscribe to our channel. Please.
And turn on your post notification. Tell them.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please. Yes, so please, so we love you. So you see amazing things from us. Amazing things. Please subscribe. We love you.
Leave that one. Subscribe.